Have you ever wondered why disasters are happening more and more frequently since the past few years and recently? Have you ever thought about how to escape or survive these disasters? Well, then you are here at the right place. Welcome back to another new video of End Time News. This is Humanity and End Time Events, a YouTube channel that collects daily footages of disasters happening around the world, fulfilling the End Time Bible's prophecies. Well, if it's your first time, please subscribe it and share it to as many people as you can. We are responsible to create awareness for our loved ones who lives a normal lifestyle as usual, like the people during the days of Noah, following the worldly trends and materialistic lifestyle. Be like Noah, who listened to God's voice, acted according to God's words, and finally built the ark that saved him, his family, and the animals. While the people who didn't listen and ignored God's work of saving mankind were all destroyed by the disaster. So shall it be when the Son of Man comes in the last days. Likewise, the Bible tells us that Jesus has yet many things to says when he return, that God will do judgment work on earth, that God will separate his sheep from goats, and God will destroy this world and create new heaven and new earth, and so on. Are you curious to know, my dear brother and sister in Christ? If you would like to know the hidden truth about the mysteries of the second coming of Christ as a thief and want to be a wise virgin, then make sure to check and click the link below in description or in the comments section. Watch till the end, and thank you for watching. May God bless you.
Fuck. That poor car, bro.
Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! And it wasn't there before.
It's happening again.
Look at this. Look at the front. I just moved my car.
Hey, Allie, it's happening again. It's happening again.
Yo, this is crazy. Yo, this is crazy. I'm going to my job, and I'm telling you, this is Van Brunt Street, and I'm talking about this water is up to my knees right now. This is crazy. I've never seen nothing like this in my life. Can't even get down Van Brunt Street. This is a river. This is my partner over here. We're about to go do the tree call. But I'm telling you, like, you can see me, my feet, my legs is soaked. Walking across the street, this is a river. I've never seen nothing like this in my life. This is crazy. I mean, oh man, this guy, I don't think he's gonna make it. Wow, this is something else. I'm talking about this water about 3 feet deep. It's like I'm in a pool or something. And I gotta get to work. But if you can, man, stay out of this stuff. Okay, I'm at my knees right now. This is crazy. Yeah, y'all stay safe out there.
Азовское море. Мы как раз в него идем. Сейчас я выше поднимусь. Круто. Причем нас решил обойти. Не хочет он с нами идти подряд. Вообще, конечно, прикольно смотрится. Ой. И пошел в сторону Должанки. Вон он красивый.
Sejauh ini asap kelabu terus mengepul menuju ke arah barat daya. Masih terus terjadi. Kita lihat ketinggiannya lebih dari 1000 meter. Demikian laporan untuk saat ini dari Desa Dulipali, Kecamatan Ilebura, Kabupaten Flores Timur. Tepatnya di depan kantor Desa Dulipali. Intensitasnya sudah hampir 2 menit, masih terus mengeluarkan debu vulkanik dari kawah yang berada sepertinya kawah baru di bawah kawah utama. Diinformasikan bahwa tadi sebuah pesawat melintas tepat di atas puncak debu vulkanik dan mengarah ke arah kota Larantuka. Entah pesawatnya dari arah Sika atau ini kurang jelas, tapi terlihat ada sebuah pesawat yang dikira drone. Oke, demikian laporan dari Duli Pali. Selamat siang, selamat beraktivitas kembali.
¡Sálgase el coche! ¡La moto! Pero ella la va forzando, ¿no? Yo creo que ya se aguas.
Gracias. Ya me grabaste, ¿verdad? Me vas a hacer famoso.
No manches. Ese coche, agua.
Ya está tapando el carro, las señoras están inundando. Salió verga ese carro.